After you've met with the doctor and discussed your treatment plan, it's completely normal to still have questions or need time to process everything. That's where your hair restoration counselor comes in. Immediately following your consultation with the doctor, you have the option to sit down in person with a counselor at our office and review your surgical and financial proposal, ask questions, and talk through any details you'd like to discuss. Whether or not you meet with the counselor that same day or not, you will always receive a detailed surgical and financial proposal by email. From that point forward, your counselor remains available to you. They can help answer questions about the procedure, timing, costs, recovery, or any concerns that come up as you consider next steps. You're welcome to connect by phone, email, text, or in person, whatever feels most comfortable for you. At Bernstein Medical, we do understand that everyone's timeline is different. You may want time to coordinate your schedule, consider your options, or simply feel ready before moving forward. And that is completely okay. What's most important to us is that you leave our clinic with more information than you came in with. When you feel informed, supported, and confident in your decision, that's how we know we're doing our job. We'll guide you at your own pace every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.